tell you what, viewers, welcome back. And thanks very much for joining me. One of the main reasons I had to get my television out of the hock shop was so that I could tune into NITV. Yes, for international viewers, NITV is Australia's national Indigenous television program starring Carla Grant, Stan Grant's ex-wife. The young Stan is expected to rock up any minute and start a new career. Anyway, the purpose of this video wasn't just that. Stan Grant and Carla Grant can change everything in a heartbeat. And get the camera angle right. We've got some news. We've got an unboxing to do. Just not your usual unboxing. It's if I can get that in. It's a Par Avion. Par Avion. I'm glad I got my television back. I love NITV. It's my favourite show. There's King Charles's seat. It's still unoccupied. Charles, you'd like NITV. You went to school in Australia and you used to watch Skippy on television when you'd get home in the afternoons and you'd have Milo and Vegemite on toast. For international viewers, Milo's a chocolatey drink. Yes, you'd sprinkle the sprinkles into a cup of milk and stir it up, make it chocolatey, with some malt, actually. Anyway, back to the unboxing. Yes, Par Avion. Par Avion from Florida, in the United States of America, is written in to ask, you're gonna need a knife to unbox this thing, dude. Oh, they've taped it up. Stanley is a brand of hardware we have here in Australia. It's very popular amongst people. Yes, young Stan Lee. They make knives for multi-purpose jobs such as unboxing. And here we go. Elvis has left the building. No, he hasn't. Elvis is in the building. King Charles is expected to arrive in any minute. Pope Francis is going to set up the drums over in the corner. Stan Grant, where's my text message?